equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. First, power off your HP Elite X2 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors while doing this. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device. This can help improve performance and longevity. If you feel this task is too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice for your device. Now, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This is usually a small clip that you can gently lift with your fingers or the spudger. Once disconnected, you can remove the old battery. Take note of how the battery is positioned, as you will need to place the new one in the same orientation. Insert the new battery into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place securely. If you're unsure about this step, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device repaired without any hassle. After the battery is connected, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened properly but not overly so, as this could damage the panel. Finally, power on your HP Elite X2 to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your battery. If you encounter any issues, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect before any work is done. This process may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can do it yourself. However, if you prefer not to tackle this on your own, our services are just a call away. No calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your device back in working order. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.